Hi, Jim Bigelow, Coldwell Banker Select, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Here again with John Buchanan, Country Insurance. And Joe, let's do a little talking about natural settlement of homes.
The foundations, basically cracking, moving.
Foundation. Well, yeah, which is caused usually by the ground beneath it settling.
Especially that Oklahoma clay.
Yeah, or, as we all know, now we have earthquakes. Minor, but no problems. But anytime the Earth, planet Earth, I don't care where you are, shifts and moves down at the core and above all the time. Now, that is not covered by insurance.
Natural settlement is not covered by insurance. For example, say Oklahoma clay, say it dries up and it shrinks, and the foundation settles, and part of your house is higher than another. That's never covered by homeowners insurance. However, earthquakes you actually can have coverage for.
Okay.
Most people don't.
Right, I understand that. Now, what happens if, when you have a little earthquake, and then the soil sinks down? It's not clay.
If it's because of the earthquake, if the earthquake's what caused it, then you would be covered if you had that on your policy.
Okay.
I've mentioned it to several of my clients. Most of them don't want to take it, and that's their choice.
Right.
It's only about $40 a year or so. I have it on mine. But if it's caused because of the earthquake, then it is covered. That's kind of the whole point. And if it's not caused because of the earthquake, if it's caused because the soil itself just dried up and shrunk or expanded, then that would not be covered.
Right. And we should also mention it. If it's caused by a pipeline break or plumbing issue, the sand's eroded out from under the slab or the soil out from under the foundation,
then it's caused by interior water, so that right. Is a covered peril.
That is good. All right. Well, there's a little more information we're putting out there.
If you don't have earthquake coverage, you might ought to consider it. We've had a lot of them recently, and from what I understand, we're due a big one.
Well,
that's from what I understand. Who's to say whether it'll happen or not?
We've always had earthquakes. I mean, since we have fault lines around here. They've been minor. They're not going to shake your house down. Will there ever be a big one? Possibly. Who knows? But every time that earth moves a little bit, it's resettling soils somewhere.
Yes, it is.
I don't have earthquake insurance. I am going to consider it for that very reason. And I don't know if I ever need it or not, but for $40 a month, or $40 a year, I can give up one or two Cokes or something.
Give up a steak maybe once a
No.
One steak.
No. I'll give up several Cokes, but no steaks.
I figured I might get you on that one.
Well, hey, we appreciate it. If there's a topic you'd like more information about, just give us a call. If it's insurance, we'll have John try and handle it and explain it to us. If it's real estate, I'll take care of it. You can reach me at 918-640-4657 or email me at jim@jimbigelow.com. John?
918-693-8820 or john.buchanan@countryfinancial.com.
Well, see you next time. Thanks for joining us.